Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the Velociraptor pet from Roblox Adopt Me. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off at the top and let's draw the eye. Let's start with the curve up on an angle and then bring it down. And then another curve underneath. And now let's color the eye in black. Next, let's add the pattern around the eye. On top, let's draw an angled line. Then from the right side, let's curve it over. And then from the left side, an angled line down. And then one more smaller one out. Now for the end, let's curve it back in. And then add a bump at the bottom. And to close it off, let's add one more curve down on the right side. And that's it for the eye. Now let's move out and let's start drawing the shape of the head. Let's start on top and let's draw a curve over to the right and bring it down. Then from the top, let's draw another curve over to the left. And then let's curve it down for the front of the snout. Next from the bottom, let's curve it in, stopping just under the eye. And then one more curve over. Now to finish off the bottom of the mouth, we'll step in from the left side and let's draw a curve down and over. Now that we have the shape of the head, let's move in and draw the details. Inside on the left, let's draw a small, rounded triangle shape for the nostril. And then color it in black. Now let's hop to the top and let's add the patch on the top of the head. From the top here, let's draw a wavy line down. Then move over to the right and let's draw another wavy line underneath. And then a curve at the end to close it off. And lastly, let's hop down to the bottom section and let's draw two triangle shapes for the teeth. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Let's start underneath the right side of the head and let's draw a small curve down. Now let's hop over to the left side and let's draw a longer curve down, stopping here. Now at the bottom here, let's draw the first hand. Let's step in and let's draw a small curve. Now from the top, let's angle it down and out. And then add a curve at the end. Now on top of this line, let's draw another curve down and back up for the next finger. And then let's add some V-shaped points at the end for the nails. And that's it for the first hand. Now let's draw another one in the same way. Let's move up on the left and let's start with a curve. Then from the top, let's angle it out. And another curve underneath. And again, let's hop up and draw another curve down and back out for the next finger. And then add the nails at the ends. And that's it for the hands. Now let's move back in and finish drawing the shape of the body. Underneath the first hand, let's continue the belly by curving it over and up to the right. Now top back up to the neck and let's draw a curve over to the left for the tail. And then curve it back down and underneath to finish it off. Now that we have the shape of the body, let's move in and draw the details. Let's start inside the neck in the middle here and let's draw a curve down. Then let's add a bump out to the right, curve it down again, and then a curve down at the end. Now let's add the pattern on top of the back. Let's start on top next to the neck and let's draw a V shape down, then curve it over to the right and back up. Then another bump next to it. And then let's add a wavy line all the way over to the end. Now top down underneath and let's draw an oval. And then one more on the right. And that's it for the body. Now let's move underneath and draw the feet. Underneath the belly, let's draw a curve up and back down. And then angle it down from the right side. Now let's do the same thing next to it on the right for the other foot. Now underneath, let's add the toes. Underneath on the right side, let's draw a curve up and back down. And the same on the other foot. Next, let's hop into the middle and let's draw a curve up and down. And then close off the bottom with an angle. Now let's draw lines in on both sides to close off each of the toes. Now for the next toe, let's draw another curve out on the left. And then inside, let's add a toenail in the same way. And then close off the bottom of the toe on both sides. Now for the last toe, let's draw a curve out. Add a toenail going outwards. And then one more curve underneath. And that's it for the Velociraptor. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!